Welcome inside the world of Rolex.
Every Rolex begins its journey behind high-security doors. Access is strictly limited to trained specialists. Precision and legacy define Rolex.
Rolex uses only the finest raw materials.
Rolex produces its own gold alloys.
Pure metals are carefully melted. Every case begins in liquid form.
Cases are machined with micron accuracy. Perfection is measured in microns.
Human inspection confirms machine precision. Automation ensures consistency.
Final finishing is done by hand.
The iconic Rolex shine emerges.
Scratch-resistant sapphire protects every dial. Clarity is engineered. Dial production requires absolute cleanliness.
Every marker is perfectly aligned.
Details invisible to the naked eye. No imperfection is tolerated.
Even hands demand precision.
Balance and symmetry are essential.
This is the heart of a Rolex.
Each gear controls time itself.
Time comes alive. Craftsmanship meets engineering.
Proper lubrication ensures decades of accuracy.
Every movement is built by expert hands.
Precision is tested before casing. Precision the cassette before casing.
Fine-tuning is essential.
Cleanliness protects performance.
The watch begins to take shape.
Alignment is critical.
Perfect alignment defines Rolex. Protection is sealed. Each Rolex has a unique identity.
Water resistance is engineered. Consistency prevents failure. Every watch is tested beyond real-world conditions. Invisible flaws are eliminated. Durability is mandatory.
Movements are conditioned. Rolex standards are uncompromising.
Only perfection moves forward.
Mechanical excellence achieved.
Bracelets match the case quality. 太重要，这是我自己标准。
Estrella. Strength meets elegance. Finish defines character.
No defect escapes inspection. Precision is scientifically verified. Rolex watches must perform in all conditions.
Modern life demands protection from magnetism. Only certified movements move forward.
Strength and comfort are engineered together.
Consistency ensures durability.
Balance completes the design.
Every trace of dust is removed. Protection during transport is essential.
Visibility in darkness is guaranteed.
Legibility never sleeps.
Every click must feel exact.
Perfection exists at every scale.
Authenticity is preserved.
Packaging reflects prestige.
Presentation matters. Trust is documented. Knowledge completes ownership.
The final touch is delicate.
Value rests behind steel doors.
Preservation is continuous. Protection never stops.
Precision extends beyond production.
Every shipment is secured.
Rolex begins its journey. Global coordination ensures availability.
Standards remain unchanged.
Exclusivity is carefully managed.
Presentation defines first impressions.
Every reflection is intentional.
Ready for its owner.
Desire meets craftsmanship.
Mechanical beauty in motion.
The connection is personal.
Luxury must feel right.
A moment of ownership.
Confidence is assured. Confidence is assured.
Time becomes personal. Up now.
Identity is permanent.
Luxury never fades. Another masterpiece completed. Legacy defines the future. This is how Rolex makes time eternal.